Hello, how are you? Today we will discuss about what is an API, Application Programming Interfaces Explained. Developers use application programming interfaces to hide complexity, organize code, and design reusable components. Here is what you need to know about APIs. The term API stands for Application Programming Interface, a concept that applies everywhere from command line tools to enterprise code, microservice, and cloud native architectures. An API is an interface that software developers use to programmatically interact with software components or resource outside of their own code. An even simpler definition is that an API is the part of a software component that is accessible to other components. Unless you write every line of code from scratch, you will interact with external software components, and each of these will have to own API. When if you do write all of your code from scratch, a well-designed application should have internal APIs to help organize the code and make its component more reusable. The API is a key concept in software development, from simple programs to the most advanced design and architectural considerations. This article will help you understand APIs and how they use in software development. APIs in software development. API is the part of a software program that is accessible to other programs. It is the external area of a software component. For this reason, you might see a reference to the API surfaces area of a program. The API surface area is the outside layer of the program or component, like the wall of a cell, as shown in this figure. Internal logic. When one program is used by another program, we call the first program the provider and the second one the client. The part of the provider that is accessible to client is the API. This arrangement is found in software applications and systems of almost every type. What is consistent is that the API is a way for clients to make calls to the provider. The API defines a known range of allowable inputs and associated outputs to the component. Therefore, the API defines the protocol for communicating with a component. All but the most trivial software use capabilities provided by other components. A software program calls a component's API to access its capabilities. In addition to using other components, most software is used as a component by other programmers and shown in figure, like internal logic, how they work, and how they. This is all about APIs. Hope you like it.